What's up, dude?
Still, look!
So what are we doing today, man?
Dude, we're gonna play with this thing.
So pumped. Last year we tested out another gimbal that MOZA made and it was pretty cool, but apparently this one is going to be a lot better. So we'll see. So if you're into smartphone filmmaking or doing some shots with your phone, this will be a cool, interesting product for you potentially. I don't know, we're going to test it out.
Dude, so it's only $89. It's pretty good.
Buddy, you ready?
Ready.
Look at this guy, he has to walk everywhere. Ooh. Cool spot, man.
I've never shot here, so I dig it. It was pretty cool. We were skating around a park.
He's doing his video to where it looks like we just met at the park, but we really didn't. Alright. Look how small it is. So you could easily put this in like your backpack or your purse or something if you're taking it places. And then that's all you have to do to set it up. So you just literally grab this, put your phone in it. There we go. Like a normal phone stand. And then all you're gonna do is balance it from left to right. So then you just turn it on and then it auto calibrates and you're ready to go. It'll go from vertical to horizontal mode. So if you're filming on like Instagram or Facebook Live or something, you can just quickly switch. Easy, easy. So you can record selfie mode too, which is really cool. If you're just walking around, get some nice smooth footage instead of shaky handheld stuff. You got a joystick, so you can pan and tilt. Super simple, super smooth. So, pretty cool. Super easy to use. I mean, I didn't even read the instructions and I could just already go ahead and just do anything with it. Run test.
See how it looks.
There he goes.
These are the things you have to do for YouTube.
We're gonna try the gestures now.
So start it.
Yeah. So peace sign starts it. There we go. Now
Cool. Woo! Now we're gonna stop
how
it.
cool is this guy? Nice, it did it. All right. Then you're back to normal with your phone. You don't have to have a big camera bag to carry this thing around.
All right, see ya.
There he goes. We're definitely the only people making content at this park.
So this one was pretty nice.
He's getting all the cooler shots. Whew, that was fun. I hope you guys liked a little bit of the collab action. I don't know when the last time I got up that early to get out and shoot was, but it feels good. So here's everything that came with it. You got the gimbal, you got the tripod leg, you got cables, and you got a little baggie. That's pretty much it. That's all you need. So, quick recommendation if you are going to be using this for filmmaking and you're not used to filmmaking, you probably want to get a power brick. So look, here's what I've got it set up right now, charging both, which is cool. I would definitely recommend this one. I had to get it for traveling, but it works great. This is really mostly for your phone because filming video is going to use a lot of your battery, not really for the gimbal. It did totally fine and we were out filming for several hours. Just definitely something to think about if you're going to be using it a lot. The footage that we shot with it is super stable, super smooth. It takes out a lot of those jitters, and in addition to the iPhone smoothness, it just like takes it up to the next level. Super easy to download the app, super easy to connect with Bluetooth, and then it just starts automatically working. You don't have to learn like a ton of different new things or anything. You pretty much just pop your phone in there and then it's kind of just automatically ready to go. But if you want to, if you're into filmmaking and you want to learn all the manual settings and stuff, have a little bit more creative control, you can do that too. The app has all sorts of different modes, so you can go, it's got presets for live streaming, it's got a setting where you can connect a Bluetooth microphone. You can see reference lines if you need to frame it for like Instagram or Facebook or like vertical, different proportions and stuff. Like if you're doing a square video or a 4x5 video for Instagram, you can see that as a preview so you shoot it correctly. Some of you people are gonna like this a lot. It actually has beauty filters built in. So if you're into that, that's cool. You can easily just change your output footage to like 4K, 1080p, different frame rates if you're gonna try to do some slow motion shots. I guess those are pretty much just the options you already have on your iPhone. So we've got time-lapse mode, slow motion mode, regular video mode, and you even got photo mode. It's honestly really easy to set up tracking. It's just like the same as it is on most drones. Like you just draw a little square around your object and then it just keeps them in the middle of the frame. So I literally just set it up. I added a quick release plate to where it can attach to my tripod, but I just set it up like that. It can pan like from here to here. So I'm gonna try to put it onto me. Wow, that's insane. So literally, I'm walking around. Oh, there's me. So if you were doing a video, you could literally just be walking around, and especially if you had a Bluetooth mic, you can literally do anything. That is especially good if you're like new to filmmaking or you just want like anybody to jump in and just like hold your camera and keep it on you. They can just set up the tracking mode and then your shot's pretty much just gonna look really good, even if you're like walking around and stuff. Anybody could use this thing. That's it. So it's pretty much about the same height as your phone, obviously thicker, but you could easily put this in any, like, if you have like one of those little pouches at the top of your backpack where there's like a room for your wallet or like sunglasses or something, you could probably fit this in there, or even in like a little drink holder or something. All right, so who is this product good for? So really anybody that's wanting to do their own marketing but doesn't want to spend the money on hiring a videographer, doesn't want to deal with having to like find somebody and hire somebody. This thing is like super cheap, so it's definitely cheaper than hiring a videographer for like anything, so it's at least worth a try. The next person I would recommend it to is anybody that's like just starting filmmaking and has a phone, wants to start learning some manual controls and stuff that you can do on the app, and just like wants something easy to start on and get some really, really good results actually. Funny story, I actually started my filmmaking career on an iPhone. It worked okay, it was like an iPhone 7, but man, if you started with this thing right now, a lot of people wouldn't even be able to tell that it wasn't a DSLR. So, if either of those sound like you, I would definitely recommend checking out the link in description and let me know if you guys get one and what kind of stuff you're making with it. I'm super curious. Alright guys, that's about it for today. I hope this video was really helpful and I hope you learned a little bit about this product and smartphone filmmaking in general. If you got any questions, definitely leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you, and yeah, hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.